Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be decorating this 3-tier tray. They do sell this at Hobby Lobby. They sell similar online. This is normally like $40 something. Never pay full price at Hobby Lobby. I got this for 20 something, so 50% off. And then they have a smaller version where it's just these 2 tiers, or maybe it's like a tier and a tier like this. And that one on sale is $12. So wait till they go 50% off. So this is just some of the stuff that I have. I won't be using everything. I'm just having like options out and stuff. This is that, I forgot the name of the leaf. I did want to use eucalyptus, and then I ended up going with this one. It's more soft and it has like that velvet overlay on it. It was actually expensive at Hobby Lobby. So the his and hers section, that's the wedding decor, this was a candle holder. So it was shaped like a big circle and zip tied together. That was like $5.99 and it was 50% off. So I just got it and chopped it up. And then the single his and hers for like decorating, like that brand, was 50% off. So this came out to $1 because they're normally $1.99. But if you go in the planting section, this is like $2.99. So it's like, it's the same exact bush, same amount of leaves, stick, everything. It's just the label that said his and hers in the wedding aisle section was cheaper. So I ended up going with that. Here's some little wood risers, super cute, using, I'll just whip this out, Dollar Tree hanging decor. You just fill in the holes, make little wood risers. I have a black one. This one will be for Halloween clearly, but the rest is just small stuff. These are from Dollar Tree. Hobby Lobby, I altered it. Hobby Lobby, I altered it. Dollar Tree, altered it. Target Dollar Spot, Dollar Tree. I have a video how to make these. Dollar Tree. The hay bale, Dollar Tree, this chalkboard from Dollar Tree, and these beads. It comes in a big long garland for $8.99. Get it 50% off, and you cut it in half and make 2. So this is one of them, and I added little jute tassels at the end. And now we're going to decorate. So here I am trying to figure out where the wood riser fits. It only fits on the bottom. The only thing with these 3-tiered trays is a lot of the bigger items are going to have to go on the bottom because the top or the middle part, they just don't fit, especially those little dollar trays from Target. They did not fit anywhere besides the bottom. Here I am trying to make this frame work, and it isn't so far, and I try throughout. So now I'm just adding the pumpkins. I want to alternate the orange because I didn't want them both next to each other. I felt like it looked funny. So then I'm going to add my white pumpkin. So now it's orange, white, orange, but you'll see I end up changing that anyway. Here's my little Hello Fall sign. Again, that is from Hobby Lobby. You just cut a 4x4 white square piece of cardstock and use your electric die cutting machine. And I added the word Hello Fall in black vinyl. And then I have the original design underneath, and that could be used for any season. So here's my Dollar Tree mug that I altered using some black vinyl, and I painted the inside orange because it will only be used for decoration. Here's a little trinket tray that I'm trying to like find and stack underneath. I did want to alter that and put words on it, but not for this tutorial. So I'm just moving the pumpkins around. I was like, too much orange, so let's do white at the top to contrast against the brown, the orange to contrast against the white, and then that tan colored one from Dollar Tree. I just added some jute string around it and some raffia at the top of the pumpkins to make them look a little bit fancier. I will link the tutorial for the wood little pumpkins that I have. Here I am adding the leaves just here and there sporadically, and the frame is not working. I tried to make it work, but it was a little bit too tall for anywhere that I was trying to put it. So this is the finished look. I like when the garland beads are hanging over the tray. So you can't really see, but it says sweater weather, and it's got the little hay. I need like a little tiny pumpkin. I think I need to go to Dollar Tree or something. I ended up doing like the jute color pumpkin because I felt like I had orange here and orange here, so orange pumpkin looked funny. I don't know, like, so I was skipping, alternating oranges. Pumpkin spice, you just use the free font onto font to like do any of these, which I did do. The orange, and then this like little leaf sticking out, some of the bead flowing down to the second tier, and then the top tier, just the, I need to put something maybe so that you could read the pumpkin part or just the morning part. So here is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching along. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. I'm also going to be doing a Halloween tier decor, decorate with me soon. And have a nice day, you guys.